This video is going to show you how to use the Smeg Milk Frother. First of all, select your milk. Whole milk works best for frothing, but you can use any milk, including oat or nut milks. Remove the lid and attach a whisk into the base of the carafe. There are 2 whisks provided. The notched whisk is for frothing and the smooth is for heating. Next, pour cold milk into the carafe. There are minimum and maximum levels of liquid indicated on the inside of the carafe. This level is to include any additional ingredients such as chocolate shavings or powders. The levels differ depending on whether you're heating milk or frothing milk. Next, replace the lid. Use the selection dial to choose a function, and then press start to begin the programme. To add any powders during the cycle, it's possible to remove the measuring cap from the lid. This can also be used as a measure for adding liquids into the mix. Allow the programme to run. It will switch off at the end of the cycle. Remove the lid, pour out and enjoy. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.